Nazis. Where to God?
Call them a Nazi.
Yeah. When he comes back to the car, well, I'll lead into it. Come on, print the ticket.
I can't believe he gave you a ticket. Where?
You saw I had a seatbelt on, right?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, run forward. Okay. So it's
driving like this.
yes, you driving like this. Yeah, you driving just like this. Huh? Oh yeah, you can drive like that. I can drive like that. I can drive leaning forward without my back on the seat all the time. Well, here's the deal, okay? You got a court date set up July 23rd. You come to court. When I get this license, I finish explaining it to you. You're not in control of this. You see this right here?
Yeah, I feel for the boys in Montgomery here.
You see this? You see this? What's this? So when you get this driver license, you're agreeing to abide by whatever statute that it is to operate this motor vehicle. You don't have it on.
I do.
You got it on now. You got a court date set of July 23rd. I sure will, Bill. Yep. So you'll come to this address right here.
You goddamn better be there. Oh, yeah.
Everything